What if I told you some motorcycles are so tough they can cross continents, survive brutal terrain, and still run for decades with almost no complaints? In today's video, we're counting down 12 adventure motorcycles famous for their unbelievable reliability. These bikes have crossed deserts, climbed mountains, and carried riders around the world. If you want a machine that simply refuses to quit, these are the ones to know. Starting our list at number 12 is the Honda CRF 300L, a lightweight dual sport that proves reliability doesn't need massive horsepower. This bike is powered by a 286cc liquid-cooled single-cylinder engine producing about 27 horsepower, and the entire motorcycle weighs just over 320 pounds wet. That combination makes it incredibly approachable for beginners while still capable enough for experienced adventure riders. But what truly makes the CRF 300L special is Honda's design philosophy. Instead of pushing performance limits, Honda focused on durability and simplicity. The engine evolved from the older CRF 250L platform, refined over years to improve fuel efficiency, cooling performance, and long-term reliability. Owners often praise the CRF 300L for its low maintenance requirements and predictable behavior. Whether it's commuting through traffic or climbing rocky trails in the mountains, this bike continues to perform without complaint. Its long travel suspension, generous ground clearance, and lightweight frame make it surprisingly capable off-road. And because it's so simple mechanically, riders can maintain it easily almost anywhere in the world. Number 11. Kawasaki Versys-X 300. At number 11, we have Kawasaki's smallest adventure bike, the Versys-X 300. Powered by a 296cc parallel twin engine derived from the Ninja 300, this machine produces around 39 horsepower and weighs roughly 410 pounds wet. What makes this bike unique is the character of its engine. Unlike most small adventure bikes that rely on single-cylinder motors, the Versys-X 300 uses a smooth, high-revving twin that delivers impressive performance for its size. But reliability is where this bike truly shines. The Ninja-derived engine has been used all over the world for years, building a reputation for durability and consistency. Kawasaki tuned it for adventure riding, giving it smoother power delivery and a broader torque curve. Owners often report riding tens of thousands of miles with minimal maintenance beyond routine service. Despite its smaller engine, the Versys-X 300 is fully capable of long-distance touring. With its comfortable riding position, wind protection, and excellent fuel efficiency, many riders have taken this bike across entire countries and even continents. It's proof that you don't need a massive engine to experience real adventure. Number 10. Honda NX 500. Coming in at number 10 is Honda's highly versatile middleweight adventure machine, the NX 500, previously known as the CB500X. This bike features a 471cc parallel twin engine producing about 47 horsepower, paired with a smooth 6-speed transmission and excellent fuel economy. Honda designed this motorcycle with global usability in mind. The engine is extremely understressed, meaning it operates far below its mechanical limits. That results in longer engine life, fewer breakdowns, and very predictable performance. Another major advantage is accessibility. The NX 500 is comfortable for beginners, yet capable enough for experienced riders who want a reliable touring machine. Its upright riding position, stable handling, and balanced weight distribution make it easy to control on both pavement and light off-road terrain. Many riders describe this motorcycle as the Swiss Army knife of the adventure bike world. It may not dominate any single category, but it does everything remarkably well. From commuting to weekend touring and occasional trail riding, the NX 500 proves that versatility and reliability can go hand in hand. Number 9. Suzuki V-Strom 650. At number 9, we have one of the most respected middleweight adventure bikes ever built, the Suzuki V-Strom 650. This bike uses a 645cc V-twin engine producing about 70 horsepower, a power plant derived from Suzuki's legendary SV650. That engine alone has built a reputation as one of the most reliable motorcycle engines ever created. Over the years, Suzuki refined it for smoother power delivery, improved fuel efficiency, and long-distance comfort. The result is a motorcycle that can easily handle massive mileage with very little drama. Many riders have documented 100,000 miles or more on their V-Stroms with only routine maintenance. Beyond the engine, the bike's strong chassis, comfortable ergonomics, and stable suspension make it an excellent touring platform. It might not be the most aggressive off-road machine, but when it comes to dependable adventure touring, the V-Strom 650 has few rivals. Number 8. Kawasaki KLR 650. Few motorcycles have earned a reputation quite like the Kawasaki KLR 650. For decades, this bike has been known as one of the toughest and most practical adventure machines ever built. It uses a 651cc single-cylinder engine designed with simplicity and durability as the top priorities. The KLR 650 became legendary because it can be repaired almost anywhere in the world. With its rugged design and minimal electronics, riders can fix most problems with basic tools. This motorcycle has been used by travelers crossing deserts, climbing mountain passes, and exploring remote regions where reliability is essential. The KLR 650 isn't the fastest bike on the road, but its durability has earned it a loyal global following. Which brand do you trust most for adventure riding? Honda, Yamaha, Suzuki, or Kawasaki? Let me know in the comments. I'm curious to see which one riders trust the most. And if you enjoy motorcycle content like this, consider subscribing for more. Now let's continue with the top half of our list. Number 7. Honda XL 750. The XL 750 Transalp takes the number 7 spot. This motorcycle features a 755cc parallel twin engine producing around 90 horsepower, delivering smooth yet powerful performance across a wide range of riding conditions. Honda designed the Transalp to be incredibly practical for everyday riders. Rather than focusing purely on performance numbers, the engineers focused on balance. The result is a motorcycle that feels equally comfortable commuting through city traffic, cruising on highways, or exploring dirt roads. Honda's reputation for reliability plays a big role here. The engine architecture is shared with other Honda models, meaning the platform has already been thoroughly tested and refined. For riders who want a modern adventure motorcycle that blends performance with durability, the Transalp is an excellent option. Number 6. Suzuki V-Strom 800DE. At number 6, we have Suzuki's modern off-road-focused adventure machine, the V-Strom 800DE. This motorcycle is powered by a 776cc parallel twin engine, producing around 84 horsepower, delivering strong torque and smooth acceleration. One of the most interesting aspects of this engine is its 270-degree crankshaft, which gives it a character similar to a V-twin, while maintaining the compact design of a parallel twin. Suzuki also introduced an innovative cross-balancer system that improves engine smoothness and reduces vibration. Combined with long travel suspension, a 21-inch front wheel, and strong off-road capability, the V-Strom 800DE offers a perfect blend of modern engineering and traditional Suzuki durability. Number 5. Kawasaki KLX 300. At number 5, we have Kawasaki's lightweight dual-sport adventurer, the KLX 300. This bike uses a 292cc single-cylinder engine producing about 30 horsepower, and the entire motorcycle weighs just under 300 pounds. What makes the KLX 300 so appealing is its simplicity. Kawasaki designed this motorcycle to be durable, easy to maintain, and capable of handling real off-road abuse. Its lightweight chassis, long travel suspension, and reliable engine make it ideal for riders who want to explore trails and back roads. For riders who prioritize reliability and ease of maintenance, the KLX 300 is a fantastic adventure companion. Number 4. Yamaha Tenere 700. At number 4, we have the Yamaha Tenere 700. Powered by Yamaha's famous CP2 engine, this bike produces about 73 horsepower and has quickly become one of the most respected adventure bikes in the world. The CP2 engine is known for its outstanding durability and strong torque delivery, paired with a rally-inspired chassis and excellent suspension. The Tenere 700 offers incredible off-road capability. Many riders consider it the perfect balance between power, weight, and reliability. Number 3. Suzuki DR650. Taking the third spot is the legendary Suzuki DR650. This motorcycle has remained largely unchanged since the 1990s, and that's exactly why riders trust it. Its 644cc air oil-cooled single-cylinder engine is incredibly simple and extremely durable. With minimal electronics and straightforward mechanics, the DR650 is easy to maintain almost anywhere in the world. It's one of the most dependable adventure bikes ever built. Number 2. Honda CRF 300L Rally. At number 2, we have the CRF 300L Rally. This bike takes the reliability of the CRF 300L and adds long-distance touring capability. With improved wind protection, a larger fuel tank, and rally-inspired bodywork, the Rally version is designed for serious adventure travel. Despite its small engine, this motorcycle has proven itself capable of tackling long journeys across challenging terrain. Number 1. Honda Africa Twin. Taking the number 1 spot is the legendary Honda Africa Twin. Powered by a 1084cc parallel twin engine, this motorcycle combines powerful performance with Honda's reputation for reliability. It's designed for serious adventure travel, offering advanced suspension, excellent ergonomics, and long-distance comfort. For many riders, the Africa Twin represents the ultimate adventure motorcycle. Adventure bikes are designed to take you anywhere, but the motorcycles on this list can take you there again and again without breaking down. So, if you had to choose one of these bikes for a real-world adventure, which one would it be? Let me know in the comments, and I'll see you in the next ride.